Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for sneaker unboxings, honest reviews, and the hottest deals in the game. Today, I've got something special for you, the Air Jordan 14 Retro Ferrari Edition. This pair is one of the most eye-catching drops in the Jordan lineup, and we're about to break open the box and see what's inside. Let's get right into it. As soon as you open the box, you're hit with that premium chilling red suede. It just screams luxury and performance. This sneaker is inspired by the sleek lines and raw power of Italian sports cars, and you can see it in every detail. From the carbon fiber midsole to the metallic silver accents and the iconic Ferrari-style Jumpman shield on the side. This shoe is straight fire. It's not just about looks either. It's built for comfort, performance, and long-lasting wear. Whether you're rocking them on the street or displaying them in your sneaker room, the Ferrari 14s are built to impress. Now, here's the best part, you don't just have to watch me unbox them. You can actually get your hands on a pair too. There's a huge sale going on right now on a trusted sneaker website, and these Jordan 14 Ferrari kicks are part of the deal. The link to the website is available in the description below, along with their social media accounts and contact numbers, so you can shop with total lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank. Let me put you on to /Hifut. Are you a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community? This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations /Hifut, has something that'll match your vibe, and the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets /Hifut apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, /Hifut delivers big on style,